Are you tired of staring at your ugly ass walls during quarantine? Me too. And I looked into buying peel and stick wallpaper, and that shit is very expensive. So today we're going to be using some contact paper that I got from Target a while ago and some Oops paint samples from Home Depot. I picked mine up for 50 cents each, but you can always mix a custom color, and I want to say they run around $1 to $2. They're like this big. What follows is a loose tutorial on how to paint and stick these to your wall. I just kind of made my own pattern up. You can base this off other wallpaper, or you can just do whatever your heart feels. Anyway, I hope this inspires you. Okay, bye.